Hey, I'm Chini. And welcome to Chini's World.
Hey kitty, today I'm going to show you how to make these strawberries. So first you get a Play-Doh, any kind of Play-Doh works. It's going to harden over time. So what you do, you just mold it into like a strawberry shape. Then for the leaf, you just do a flat circle and you just start doing the little peaks like I just did. And then you just put it on top. And for the chocolate, what I'm doing is I'm using some hot glue so it looks more realistic. And later on, I'm going to paint over it. For this step, you can either put acrylic paint or any paint that you like, or glitter. This is what I'm doing here. And what I did is I mixed fine red glitter and then I added some gray glitter, as I'm showing here, to make the glitter look like it has spots. And then I'm painting on the leaf. Then grab a bowl of your choice, and then what I did is I put paper underneath a silk fabric, and then I just started gluing it on top, as you can see here. And to make it look more rustic, I'm just putting some twine and a little sign that says made with care. And then I just grabbed a little toothpick and some sticky notes and just put it on there and added the fresh sign, and that's it. I did end up having extra strawberries, so what I'm doing here is just doing a little stand for my pens, and then I'm just adding the strawberries and some chocolate dips. And because I love my caffeine, I decided to do this little sign. I was inspired by a post that I saw on Facebook. So I got this little plaque at Dollar Tree, and all I'm doing is I'm taking off all the decorations, I sand it down, and then I'm just painting it with a white color. And then I'm just eyeballing the picture and I'm drawing the little mug. I wanted the plaque to look a little distressed, so what I did is I grabbed a paintbrush with a little bit of black acrylic paint and I just started rubbing it just like so. So these little foams came with the plaque, and all I did is just glued them together and then glued it on the back of the mug. And then all I'm doing is a little ribbon and I'm going to glue it on the top of the plaque, and that's pretty much it. And that's how you get a little simple plaque that you can add anywhere you like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think. Bye!